Duly noted. Want to know what I believe? I believe that you're way out of your depth in this matter. So, the next time that you want to come in here and tell me what I'm doing wrong, you are welcome to filthy yourself. Because I don't care.
Everyone! Cast your ears on my Brutus!
Flaps his hand, flaps his chest, pulls his head up.
All face off! Iron Bean is
I don't know. Reward us for our honesty? Hey, it worked for the bead.
You're making me talk, man. You're making me talk. Wow. So oh no, this is horrible. Here is. What if we turn that into a shade we could use? Distant fly. Yes,
Do you want to talk about it?
No, I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, brother, this is sex! Hey, demo. Look! Okay, this is not good. Aw, crap.
If I were a bad gentleman, I would. One errant twitch and kablooey! Oh, they're going to have to glue. The Spanish Inquisition. Lunch.
Wow.
Drinks like beer.
What am I gonna do now? Skin to the size after Jimmy Hart and release forces inside.
And he screamed. Jam roll holy.
Threats are part of wrestling, you know? But you gotta look at the person that's making the threats. This fat son of a bitch is challenged all of us, has been world champions before, done this business 15, 20 years, and this fat son of a bitch is gonna draw us all out!
Calm down, okay? All right?
He's fat! I'm gonna...
Forget about this.
I don't care if he don't... I'll make him...
Excuse me?
What the fuck are you doing?
I'm trimming a lawn.
My nephew does the lawns in this neighborhood.
I've been working this neighborhood for 26 years.
Are you fucking deaf? I said my nephew has this area. Gary LaManna.
Well, fuck off, huh? But I'm busy here.
Cock and ball.
Masturbation.
You don't work this neighborhood!
This is Pickle. Pickle's really good at whatever this is. Sims, what you want to do is grab that, that's very good, and this is when you can inject it right into his mouth. And that's it, easy peasy. Enough. You heard me. Enough. Look at those leaf moves. My God, look at that one. Move it at the speed of sound. I would say that there are three forms of food. There is the soup, there is the sandwich, and there is the carrot. He really loves doing this.
Spy! Oh. Hello again, heavy. Come closer, and let us Now it's feeding time again!
Don't mind. You may think it may.
Only thing that happened was I got a rotten headache.
Fuck this. Love is fun, bitch!